Dear customers, in this video guide you will be instructed about getting rid of Arisedsore.info pop-up windows. And again, these alerts present some faulty statements that, for instance, you need to click on the Allow button to download some file. Well, people are quite surprised to encounter such fake alerts because they didn't really intend to download anything. But somehow this pop-up came up and it started to distract them. Furthermore, clicking on this Allow button is obviously a very serious mistake because this leads to the immediate browser hijacking. Whenever the button is clicked, the browser gets hijacked, and this means that there will be random pop-up ads attacking the screen all the time, and these ads have the intention to forward the browser to many dangerous websites. So be careful not to trust any deceptive statements that are presented by Arisedsore.info. I'm gonna now click on the Allow button on purpose in order to demonstrate how to deactivate these pop-ups. So, first of all, you need to access the browser menu, click on Settings, now select Site Settings and Notifications. Check this Allow area and you will find this Arisedsore.info site. Click on this button and choose Remove. After you have done that, the problem should no longer reoccur, but I recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this direct download button to download the software, and once the program is downloaded and installed, start it through the Launchpad. So, Combo Cleaner will update its antivirus database. Combo Cleaner works as an antivirus, however this feature is only the part of the premium license. But as an antivirus with trial version, Combo Cleaner performs free scanning, free analysis of your Mac. So once you click on Start Combo Scan button, this free scanning will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The trial version gives you a chance to perform free scanning of your Mac computer, and at the end of scan you'll see a detailed report about all threats that may be the part of your Mac. Check the antivirus function and click on Review Results. This report will state the specific threat and its location, so you may find the location of each threat through your Finder, and you may remove it manually, or you may do it automatically, but with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus program.